Hey there friends, and welcome to another unboxing review. Check out the COMAN M1 Pro V5 carbon fiber monopod here. Nice little case. Check that out, it's pretty sweet. Nice and padded, very cool. Looks like we got a little pack, some Allen keys and whatnot. And then we have our base here. Well, check that out. It's like that locks into place however you want it. Okay, so if these are locked into place, they're not going to go up. You just, instead of pushing against it, you just push it down a little bit. Then that allows you to push that up. And then we can lock that into place like that. And those click into place wherever they're at. Little mounting bracket there. Here's our handle for just changing positions and things like that. This locks and unlocks, so this extends out. That's very cool. Oh wow, this thing's got the tilt, lock, that goes back into space. That's nice and smooth. So if you need to tilt it without it wobbling or anything like that, lock it back into place. Very quiet. Looks like this goes on the side right here. Whoa, check that out. Super lightweight, carbon fiber, one touch release. Press the button here. Lift that up. Look at that. It just falls down there like that. We got 4 sections. That looks just really cool, actually. We also have this. Looks like snaps into here. Lock. That locks into place there. And then this screws right on the top here. Super simple. Push to unlock or snaps into place and it's locked in. That's sick. This locks into here, same way. Press it in and you're locked in tight and loosen. Okay, that's cool. So we can adjust the tilt on here, so whatever we want to. Get it back into place, just tighten that, loosen it up. All right, I had to take this out for some real world testing, and I drove my scooter out here by the beach, and the little case works great. Just put it on my back. This thing only weighs a little over 5 pounds, I believe, to take with you. It's so sturdy. Everything about this seems really well designed. This is my go-to tripod or monopod by now. Whatever I need to hold my cameras, whether it's my phone or my DJI Osmo or my other things. This thing is excellent. I was so impressed with it. It's so easy to set up, so user-friendly. It's very, very smooth panning up and down. There's no noise at all. It was very windy at the beach today. I like how this quick lock-in mechanism, you can slide it back and forth however you want to. I just put my DJI Osmo right on there. You can put your phone holder, a ton of different things, your cameras, anything on there. It's just universal. It's just so easy to switch these things on and off, in and out, whether you want to take out the monopod, the handle, and just go right onto the tripod base there. We can do that. This, like I said, this thing is super sturdy. It was very windy out at the beach here, and my camera, which I've had fall over before with a other tripod, this did not even. I mean, it's very sturdy. Even though the base, I was a little skeptical because the little legs don't go out too far. But even then, it's got enough weight for it to allow you to be very sturdy even in a strong wind. And we can just see how smooth that is. I like how it's just so easy to click things in and out. You don't have to use a bunch of screws. You don't have to do anything like that. The carbon fiber, it looks cool. It's super strong. It's very easy to work with. Super lightweight. I just threw my DJI Osmo on here, and we can see with this panning action, it's just very easy to work with. I like the one-touch lowering and raising of this. If you have something else in your hand, maybe you're holding your camera or thing, it's a push of a button, release the handle, and you can adjust it to whatever height you want. It just makes it so much easier. It also has a nice rubber grip on the handle, so we can steady that as we turn this around. I mean, just look how smooth that is. It's just flawless, whether you're doing a 360, whether you're panning down, panning up. There's no clicking noises, there's no jerking. It's just butter smooth. I'm so impressed with it. I'm not even joking. Like from now on, I'm using this for all my recordings. When I use at my desk now, I just use the very base part, and then the top locked into that, and that's what I use to record with my phone now for my unboxing portion. So I'm just so impressed with it. I mean, really can't say enough good things about it. This is a truly game changer for my recording and things like that. So we can see, like I said, very smooth here on the transitions. It's lightweight, just fit right in that pack for me here. You can see how tall it is. I'm almost 6 feet, and that gets up right there at the top. So you can, whether you're going basically from shoe level to 6 feet or about, this has plenty of adjustability to any position and height you want. The feet are very, very sturdy. I mean, they have a little rubber band, little rubber pads on the bottom also, so they're not going to move around. But this is so lightweight. It's so user friendly. I'm just really impressed with it. Yeah, this little click, this little foot button basically on the bottom here, it just makes it really easy. If you need to tilt it over a little bit, or however, maybe your ground's a little bit uneven and you need to make sure that it is perfectly level, you can do that with just a push of a button there with your foot and lock it into place when you let it up. So it's very handy. I like how you just one push of a button and you can take that out, you can lock it back in, you just set it in there. Also has a little lock on the top one if you want to make sure it doesn't come off accidentally. But just everything, like I said, there's a little lock button there. It's super well thought out. We even have like a little level on there. So if the ground is a little uneven and we can't make sure, you can just eyeball it there and make sure it's perfectly level for your shot. So just another nice touch. I mean, I felt like this is designed by someone that's used cameras a lot, because it's literally thought of everything. It addresses all my needs for all my recording scenarios basically. So I'm just really impressed with it. I like how this just locks in and out with that touch. You can slide it back and forth, let it up, and it'll lock back into place, and then you can push it forward and unlock it. You can slide that out if you want to, making it very easy to transition from maybe your Nikon or your DJI or your camera or anything you want that you have on this universal platform. It's just super easy, and it's sturdy enough to where it's going to hold good. I like how this handle is completely adjustable. You can do it with one hand. Pretty much everything on here is just, you only need one hand to do it. It's pretty crazy, and that can be adjusted to any height that you want. It rotates around, move the handle in or out. So it's just, like I said, I felt like this is designed by someone who's been around cameras a lot. We can see here, just putting it away and wrapping up the day. It's very easy to do, no difficulties at all. I'm just really impressed with this, guys. If you guys are looking for an excellent device to hold your cameras or whatever for your recording, this thing is just so user-friendly. It's so strong. It's so durable. Just very well designed. I'm very, very impressed with it. So anyways, my friends, I want to thank you guys for watching this review. I hope it's helpful. If you guys got any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. But yeah, also drop a link in the description below if you guys want to up your camera game here, as far as being able to hold all your devices, your recording devices, flawlessly. This thing is amazing. You guys have a great day. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.